Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Cullivan, and today is day 3 and day 4 for our vocabulary review. We worked on day 1 and 2 to learn some new vocabulary words. So for today and tomorrow, we're going to practice the words and see which words you remember. So here we go. Okay, what word is it that means having something to do with the United States? The flag, the symbol, the soldiers, the president, the people who live there are all what? Americans. Very good. American means anything that has to do with the United States. What is the word that is a strong feeling that something is true? It's what you know in your heart. Belief. That's right. What you believe is your beliefs. And it's the strong feelings that you have to be true. And some of us have different beliefs, and that's okay. The way of life, the art, the ideas, and the customs of a group of people is called their culture. That's right. The culture is a group of people and the way they live and their art and their food and their holidays and their celebrations is all part of their culture. The study of the people and the events from the past. This is a subject you'll have in middle school and high school. And I told you before, it's very important to learn about the past. And that's called the history. That's right. And we need to study history so we can learn from the good things and the bad things that happened before us. What do we call a special day when many people do not work? And usually there's no school. That's called a holiday. That's right. The system of words and grammar used by people to talk and write to each other is called your language. That's right. And some of us are lucky enough to speak 2 languages. A custom or belief that is shared by a group of people. Part of your culture might be these things. What are they? Traditions. That's right. Everyone has certain traditions in their family and in their culture that they celebrate and repeat year after year. Another word for same. Things that are the same are alike. That's right. We talk about things that are alike and different. How are they same? They are the same and different. We use these terms in math and in reading. Sometimes in science too. Okay, what's the word that we use to say what we're doing when we get together on the birthdays and the holidays, when our family all gets together to show how special those days are or why we're getting together? We get together and we celebrate. That's right. We celebrate events like birthdays and holidays to show how special they are. All right, what is the word that means the way that one thing is not the same as the other thing? We talked about things are the same and we learned the vocabulary word alike, but this is when they're not the same. This is a math term as well. What is the word we use to show how things when they are not the same? Difference, right. The difference is the way that one thing is not the same as the other. It's what's different about them. When you blank something, you think it is likely to happen. When you know something's going to happen, every day your mom goes to work and then she comes home. You expect her to come home, right? When you expect something, you think it's likely going to happen. These people expect the bus to arrive. A mix of the same kind of thing is called a blank. So you have a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables. They're all fruits and vegetables, but they're different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Those are all candy bars, but they're different kinds of candy bars. What do we call a mix of the same kind of things? A variety. That means you have a bunch of different kinds of things.